Hello, hello, tutor. My name is Julio Ruloa. I am living in the city of Arauca. Arauca. I live with my wife. Her name is Angie. My son is Julian. My mother is Gloria, and my brother Jorge. We're a great family. My tastes are playing soccer, video games, and chatting with family and friends. My dislikes are getting out early, and arguing with other family members I do not like. I am an electrical technician. I have worked in this world for 8 years. I am studying in the Sena. I am currently studying electronic engineering in the UNAD. Uh, the most interesting place I have to is in Arauca. I have been living there for 30 years. I have gone to other places like Bogota and Yopal, but I do not like there every month. I imagine Arauca with a huge future. It's warm climate. I would like it to change and light. For 5 years, they have building many roads. In 5 years, there will be many buildings. In will have changed a lot. Hopefully, the Arauca River is more beautiful than ever.